this is Keshav. I'm a Python trainer here. We have our student, she got placed. She'll share some experience.
So good morning everyone. Thank you Keshav sir for this introduction part. So my name is Shalu and I have joined PySpiders in the month of October 2024. And during my initial days I started with the SQL batch, then which was taken by Murli sir. Then I joined quantitative aptitude, which was taken by Selva sir. So all those classes were really interactive and we solved many problems and programs in SQL also. And after that we started with the Python batch, which was handled by Keshav sir. So it's my ongoing batch where I have come till OOPS concept, and it's been, even though I'm not from an IT background, so sir has helped me a lot. So before I didn't had any coding experience, so I have learned Python, but I used to not solve so many problems. But after attending your classes, I was able to use those methodologies and all the steps that you were telling in the class, and I was able to solve many programs. Sir has guided many things, and after that I also attended web technology, which was taken by Darshan sir, and there we did many projects and tasks which not only theoretically helped me, but also I had implementations, so which I think the best experience. And then I did my verbal acti with Niveda ma'am, where group discussions were made and everything, which improved my communication. So overall it's the best institution that could help you even in a communication or technically, everything it would be prepared. The grooming session, the presentation, the mock interviews prepare you for well in advance how to crack, so that you get a best experience here. And I would suggest everyone who is looking for the placement to join PySpiders. Thank you so much for everything.
Okay, thanks for your valuable feedback and congratulations. I wish you all the best.